Hi, this dance is called MECHALI, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia. There are 32 count, 4 walls, high beginner level line dance. Okay, let's start with this section 1. Rocking chair, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, lock shuffle forward, then rock forward, recover, quarter turn to left, side CHASSÉ. Okay, section 2, anchor step, right and left, and then rock back, recover with flick back, and then quarter pivot to left, step forward, quarter turn, step on left foot. Section 3, sailor step, right and quarter turn to left, sailor step, and then lock shuffle diagonally forward, right and left. Section 4, J-book turn, quarter J-book turn twice. Okay, and then okay, let me repeat with the count. Section 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, Section 3, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and there is 4 count text, which is V step, out, out, in, with a count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all the tutorial for MECHALI Line Dance. I hope you can follow the step. I look forward to see the demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.